Right, thousands of people have taken to the streets in Balswa Dairy area of Delhi after a notice of eviction and demolition of homes have surfaced. In fact, they've received a notice. Bulldozers have reached the area today, and we're looking at those visuals there where people, many of them residents, trying to protect their homes, calling this out as atrocity and targeting, etc. But nonetheless, we're looking at encroached land being cleared up. After many, many years of them living there, they're now going to be facing bulldozers, many of them trying to protect their homes. This is the atmosphere we're seeing there in Balswa, where people in fear and yet in anger that the entire area is now going to be bulldozed. They're going to be losing their homes, thousands of them taking to the streets, and we're looking at paramilitary forces there trying to ensure security as people attempt to save their homes. Large numbers of police force there that have been deployed, and we see those images there, reactions pouring in. Let's have a listen.
हमने बोल दिया था भाई हम बहस छोड़ देंगे, हमारा मकान नहीं तोड़ा जाए। हमने बड़ी मुश्किल से मेहनत करके 16-16 घंटे की ड्यूटी देकर गोबर ढो के न सिरों पे जब ये मकान बनाए हैं, जब लेंटर के मकान और बारात घर और स्कूल बन सकते हैं तो मेरा घर क्यों नहीं बन सकता? ये बोलो।
ठीक है, कोर्ट ने कानून के बिहार पर ये फैसला लिया है, बट ये गलत है सर। सरकार का फैसला है, पॉलिसी चेंज भी कर सकते हैं। अगर 90% यहाँ रेजिडेंशियल हो चुका है तो पॉलिसी चेंज भी तो हो सकती है सर। और कोर्ट से सिर्फ एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज जब तक ये पॉलिसी चेंज नहीं हो रही हमें स्टे दे बस।
The landfill site right behind me is the Balswa landfill site, and because of this landfill site, there's a huge danger looming over thousands of people who have been living in the Balswa dairy colony since 1976. We are being told that nearly 4,000 to 5,000 people are now facing a demolition drive, a threat of demolition drive, because the cows, the milching cows of the Balswa dairy are believed to be feeding on the landfill site, making their milk unsafe for consumption. And that is why Delhi High Court have told the authorities to ensure that the Balswa dairy is relocated to nearly 20 kilometers away in Ghoga colony, and the time that was given to for this relocation is nearly 4 weeks to the authorities. And this morning, thousands of people, if Ankit will pan the camera, you will realize not only people are here on the road, but also in the entire lane of the Balswa dairy. You will see people who had assembled here are slowly dispersing towards their lane. But ever since this morning when the bulldozers came here, people were protesting in huge numbers. The Delhi police was deployed on the ground, and so was the paramilitary forces. With video journalist Ankit Singh, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today.